Hey guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm standing out here on a new 2022 Sea Ray 270 SDX IO. I'm out here on the water. Actually, it's a cold day out here up in New Jersey. But we do up here at the helm where you're driving at on this boat have a nice 12-inch screen. This will do all your engine data. Great display from Simrad integrated with your Mercury engine. Got a Fusion Apollo stereo system here, upgraded from standard. Have nice tunes playing on this boat. To go with that, we have not installed these yet. The techs are just getting this boat together. We just got it on the lot here for stock, and they're actually going up here. So when you're out at the sandbar, you want to crank your tunes, you're going to be able to hear that out on the water. At the helm here, your seat does move, and you also do have a flip-up thigh-rise bolster as well on this side too. Your head here has the head interior upgrade. Got a porta potty on this boat. You have a nice glove box here locking, so when you're at the restaurant, you can throw stuff in there. My keys and wallet are actually in there right now. You got in-floor deck storage, nice deep storage in there. Seating all around with storage under most of these seats here. I have removable cooler storage there. Under this side, we did put the cockpit cover, and your bow filler cushion's also in there as well. This boat does have a teak cockpit table that's stored up under the helm, and that'll mount right here to this guy. You do have a battery charger on this boat. Plug it in right here to 120 volt. When you're at the dock, your engine compartment, lift up right here. You got a 350 mark on this boat, Mercruiser. Now coming back here through the swim platform walkthrough, transom walkthrough here, you do have storage underneath. This drains, great spot to put some drinks, beverages. This way you don't have to go all the way in the boat when you're at the sandbar. Make it easy for you. You have a sprayer here, freshwater sprayer, rinse yourself off, saltwater sand. Transom trim switch, nice to get that drive back under so it's not in the way when you're out there in the water. A transom remote too for your stereo, so when you want to change your tunes, you don't have to get up all the way to the helm as well. Now, nice feature about this IO is it does have a submersible swim step. So this thing's great, so easy access to the water. You do have a boarding ladder as well on this boat. This just flips down. So this will go right in the water, and you'll be able to sit there in the water nice and comfortably. We also do I have on this boat the sports tower. So if you look to the side there, you got your sports tower, nice bimini top above that. There's a tow point for wakeboard up there, as well as a tow point for tubes on the transom where I'm standing at. We do have the tower accent panels that match the gel on the side, which is it's a white boat. We got a great color combo on here. Again, guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. It's our 2022 Sea Ray 270 SDX IO. If you have any questions about this boat, give us a call, 609-207-3325. Thank you.